Hello friends, today we are going to learn something important and interesting. So let's start. What happens when something dies? What happens to the peels of vegetables, fruits and other products when you throw them out in open? Yes, it starts changing its color and after a few hours or days it starts smelling and you'll see worms on it and it disappears after a week. But what exactly happened? Let us find out. In reality, it doesn't disappear, but there is something which we cannot see, and that is the work of microorganisms on dead and decaying organic substances, and this is nothing but decomposition. So, what exactly is decomposition? Decomposition is the process by which organic substances are broken down into simpler matter. Bodies of living organisms, ripened fruits, fallen leaves begin to decompose shortly after death. Within a short period of time, microorganisms can break down and digest large amount of soft tissue, resulting in large production of gas and decomposition fluid. And that's why you get a bad smell from the dead animal which die and are not buried. As decomposition proceeds, the skin begins to darken to various shades of green and brown. The body becomes somewhat bloated due to decomposition and production of gas, and the decomposition fluid is frequently expelled from the mouth, nose and other openings in the presence of red-brown fluid. Bacteria and fungi play an important role in decomposition and are called decomposers. Bacteria found in the gut invade the dead tissues shortly after death of a body, as well as other fungi and bacteria from the surroundings.